In this video, I'm going to show you how to force enable dark mode in Chrome on Windows 11 using a hidden Chrome setting that can make many websites appear in dark mode automatically. This is a really useful trick if you want a more comfortable browsing experience, especially at night, or if you just prefer the dark look across the web. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. Once Chrome is open, go up to the address bar at the top of the browser. This is where we'll access a special experimental settings page inside Chrome. In the address bar, type chrome://flags and then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Chrome's hidden flags page, where you can turn on features that are not enabled by default. Now that you're on the Chrome flags page, look at the search box near the top. Click inside that search box and type auto dark mode for web contents. As you type, Chrome will filter the results and show you the exact dark mode option we need. This setting is the one that forces a lot of websites to render in dark mode, even if they don't officially support it. Once you see auto dark mode for web contents in the results, look for the drop-down menu next to it. By default, this setting is usually set to default. Click the drop-down and change it to enabled. After selecting enabled, Chrome will begin using this feature to automatically apply dark mode styling to supported web content. This can make pages easier on the eyes and give your browser a more consistent dark theme. After changing the setting, look toward the bottom of the page or the prompt that appears and click Relaunch. Chrome will close and restart automatically to apply the new configuration. Once it opens again, the dark mode setting should be active. Now, when you visit many websites, you should notice that Chrome is forcing a darker version of the page, even if the site wasn't built with native dark mode support. If the change does not appear right away on every site, that can happen because some websites behave differently depending on how they are built. But in many cases, this flag works really well and gives you a much darker browsing experience across the web. And if you ever want to turn it off, you can go back to chrome://flags, search for the same setting, and set it back to default or disabled, then relaunch Chrome again. So that's how to force enable dark mode in Chrome on Windows 11 using Chrome flags. It only takes a minute and it can make browsing much more comfortable. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.